Hey guys, in this one I'm showing you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problems in Windows. So if your mouse wheel is jumping up and down, scrolling in the wrong direction, or completely refusing to scroll web pages, you're not alone. This super annoying glitch usually stems from misconfigured Windows scroll settings, outdated mouse drivers, or dust buildup inside the scroll wheel sensor. So let us fix this step by step. So firstly, let's make sure that your Windows scroll lines and inactive Windows settings are properly configured. So just like me, open up Settings on your keyboard. You can press Windows plus I to open them, and then click on Bluetooth and Devices right here. And after selecting it from this left menu, choose Mouse. Then look under Scrolling. Ensure that Roll the mouse wheel to scroll is set to multiple lines at a time. So you're looking to adjust this, okay? Don't have it set to one screen at a time. And finally, toggle scroll inactive windows when hovering over them off and on again to refresh the system scroll hook. Next, if your settings look fine but the wheel still stutters, let's reinstall your mouse driver. So right-click on the Start menu and open up Device Manager. And you will have this window. And in here we need to find our mouse. Let me see, mice and other pointing devices. HID compliant mouse, right click and choose Update Driver. Also guys, if you're using a dedicated mouse software like me, okay, this is mine, make sure to click Update Device, connect your mouse through the wire and choose Updates. And what if the scroll wheel is still jumping up and down physically? Dust and hair frequently block the optical encoder sensor inside the wheel. So just unplug the mouse and use a quick burst of compressed air into the gap around the wheel while spinning it rapidly. If you use a Logitech or Razer, also open Software and turn off smooth scrolling or reset hardware profiles. So just try both of these steps and hopefully this helps.